Get ready to bring your Christmas greetings to life like never before. In today's video, I'll show you the step-by-step process of creating your very own AI-powered talking avatar for the holiday season. Imagine sending personalized and festive messages that truly stand out. Join me on this jolly adventure as we turn your Christmas wishes into animated magic. Let's make your messages merrier and your season brighter. No tech wizardry required.
First, go to ChatGPT and write Christmas greetings or a funny message. Now that the Christmas greetings message is ready, copy it. Next, we will use 11 Labs' Santa Claus AI voice to convert our text into audio. Go to Voice Settings, select Santa Claus AI voice, paste your script, and click on the Convert button.
Dear Rock, wishing you a season filled with joy, laughter, and the warmth of loved ones. May the spirit of Christmas bring you peace, the gladness of the season illuminate your days, and the coming year be filled with hope and prosperity. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Warmest wishes, Mickey.
Script done, voiceover done. Next, let's move on to creating AI images. For generating AI images, I am using two free sites. The first is Bing Image Creator, and the second is Leonardo.ai. Paste this prompt or use your own, but please note that the image must be clear and in portrait format for creating a talking photo. If you're not getting a good image, then regenerate. Next, go to Hagen AI and upload your image and voice file. You can use DID Studio for creating a talking photo. You can also watch my previous videos for more free talking AI avatar generators. Now download this video and import it into CapCut. After importing the video into CapCut, set the ratio to 9:16 for a short video. Adjust the size, then go to Text and click on Auto Caption. Select your target language. After generating your captions, choose a caption template. Set different colors, change fonts to make it more professional according to your requirements. Add some effects, and finally, export this video to share with your family or friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe.
Dear Rock, wishing you a season filled with joy, laughter, and the warmth of loved ones. May the spirit of Christmas bring you peace, the gladness of the season illuminate your days, and the coming year be filled with hope and prosperity. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Warmest wishes, Mickey.